Hello and welcome to the special Christian Meems against Fortnite artwork edition. Here I will showcase some of the artwork done by our members in Christian Meems against Fortnite. The artwork was done after my great success in creating a tutorial video on how to create Christian-friendly memes. We have a lot of artwork here done by our members and they are absolutely wonderful, and I'm very proud of all the members who have done them. This video is meant to be an appreciation video for all of our members who took my tutorial to heart and put it to good use, and honed their skills to showcase their love for Christianity and our course to defeat Fortnite. Before we go into the gallery and display of the artwork, I would first like to thank these members who have left wonderful messages on our first ever video, which was the tutorial. Okay, so first person we have is, I believe is Jim. I think it's Jim. And he says, the best video on YouTube. Well, thank you, Jim. If you are Jim, I think you're Jim. I think you're from the Facebook group, Jim. So thank you very much, Jim. And also we have Beetlejuice Cousin, who says, beautiful. I think I'm crying. Well, Beetlejuice Cousin, thank you for the compliment. And please, there's no need to cry. You should be happy about what you learned. And this is all for the people who left a wonderful message, so thank you, Jim and Beetlejuice Cousin. I think it's time to get into the gallery now. And the first person, we have Jamie. Jamie made a picture here. This seems to be a music artist, I believe. And we see him saying no to Fortnite and saying yes to my profile picture. Okay. And then for the second artwork we have, I'm not sure how to spell this name, Brianna, I believe. I'm not sure if it's inspired by my tutorial, because it's clearly Fortnite and it's her face put onto what looks like a Fortnite character. So let's move on to the third image. Okay, and now we have our fourth image. I believe it's fourth, yes, and it's done by our group's administrator. He was Luke, and I can see that he put a lot of effort, a lot of hard work. He put a lot of hard work, and it turned out really great. So it's a great example of what I have taught in the tutorial. So well done. You can see that you put some effort in it, you put quite a lot of effort in it. And now let's move on to the next image. Okay, and this is our final image, which is done by Dog. He sent it in Discord. I found it in our Discord. We have Discord as well, and I see it's a wonderful image, a dog. There's not much I can say about it. It's really it's not something that I was mentioned in my tutorial, but it's very similar. It's a great attempt, dog. That's I'm not sure what your real name is, but good work, dog. I think this concludes our gallery. And with that, I would like to thank everyone who watched my tutorial and participated. If you want, you can still create some artwork so we can hold a second gallery for next week. And if you want, you can even submit music or stories to be shared on our new channel, which is made to spread Christianity and teach people the wonders of it. Thank you all very much for participating, and I am expecting to see more good work. Amen, and God bless.